Welcome back to my another episode of my blog, and this is Odette, and today is another day to share what's inside my bag challenge. What are the essentials inside my bag? Okay, let's get started. I have here, so I'll show you my bag. What's here? How messy it is. Look at that. So I have here my lotion for dry skin because I have dry skin, and my hairbrush, my card wallet, my facial massage or facial roller. So I use this like when I'm traveling or going to work or in a parking lot while waiting or something, so I could use it like this. Or kung magkalisod, kung naara sa parking, nag-take og lunch, nagkaon, pwede sa i-massage si husband sa iyang face, no? Then my address book, this is also important because I have important things here. And my eye drops for my eyes, refresh tears, because I have dry eye syndrome. My spiritual needs bag, so ang naa sa sulod are prayer book, rosary, tanan pang prayer for spiritual needs. Ano siya ako ang bag. Dugay na kay ni siya ang bag, guys. Dugay na kay ni mga over 15, mga almost 20 years na siguro. Nag-work pa ko sa, I think, Mount Carmel College before. Then, transfer sa Cebu. Then, gidala na ko diri kay gamit man siya niya. Malabhan na siya usaha. Malabhan na siya. Kay made of plastic man dayon. I-brush lang imo toothbrush. I-brush it slowly and clean it. And, tadan! Yeah, limpyo na siya. So, next, my badge. So, this is very important. No ID, no entry for me. Next, ang pugong or ang scrunchie sa buhok. Gamit kayo na. Ang fan, although wala kayo na siya nagamit, pero kay aircon man, pero gidala na ako siya. Magamit gyapon. Dugay na kay ni siya. Since pagkasal ni namo ako ni siyang gigamit. The day on our wedding day, kay init man ang simbahan. So, mao ni akong gidala. And gidala sa nako diri. And also my charger for my phone. And my phone. Ang sao na lang, guys, kung may phone. Magkayamukat ilang world. And lotion, another lotion, hand lotion, my face mask. So my husband gave this to me. His face mask is also black. So we got this from MerrillUSA.com. And also this one, this is given by my friend, and this mask really works. I love this one. I think I need to buy another new of this type of face mask. I love this one. And my sunglasses is very important to protect my eyes. If you can get double protection, the UV protection, this is only UV protection. If you could get two double protection for your, UV or UVV, yeah, ultraviolet something, I forgot. So mas better na siya nga protection sa eyes. So mao ni siya akong glasses, and then case para sa akong eyeglasses. And what else in here? My side pocket, I have here my sanitizer. Sanitizer, kung dili available ang water o ang soap, gamit ang hand sanitizer, but if naaray soap and water, you're good. Yeah. Then electronic electronic wipes for my phone, to clean my phone. I clean my phone whenever I see it that it needs to be cleaned, so I clean it. And more, I have here my lipstick with here in my bag, another electronic wipes. Cebu Di Macho. This is also moisturize my lips, but sa mua sa Pilipinas, this is good for scar. But also, when I did my research, I did a lot of readings about this. You could also, this has a lot of benefits or purpose. One of it is for your lips. And I tried it and it works really well. So you guys have to try it. Cebu Di Macho. There is one in Amazon, and you could find it in the Filipino store. So I got this from the Filipino store here. And oh my goodness, not something. Lip balm. So always lip balm. May mag-crack ang lips saka tugnaw or saka init. And on the side packet, picture sa akong bana ug sa akong anak, then love notes. Dugay na kayo nga love notes, guys. Marag-uyab pa mi. We're still like boyfriend and girlfriend, and I still have it. Yeah, you know, love is in the air. Sao na lang kung may love. Alright, so it's now empty. My bag is empty. And now we have to place it back. My sunglasses case, my sunglasses here, my eyeglasses case, and my address book. Oh, I'm gonna place it at the bottom. My eye drops, my lotions, and lip balm or lipstick, and everything else. Sa side pocket rin ako siya isulod. Then my card wallet, my fan, my hairbrush, my lotion, my facial roller, my ID, my facial mask. So, ang facial mask, nahutdan ko kuan guys. Nahutdan ko og Ziploc bag. Dapat naka-Ziploc bag ni siya para to protect it kay imo man siyang gamiton sa face. So, dapat ibutang siya Ziploc bag. So, unfortunately, nahutdan ko og supply. So, wala na ko ka palitong bago. So, butang na lang na diha. And of course, my charger, place it back. And my spiritual bag or this is very important. I always carry this with me. Then my phone. So, and it looks like this. And pugong or a scrunchie for my hair. So, mao ni siya akong bag pang work or like mulakaw, like mag-grocery or naami lakaw family, like mag-travel or going to places, like driving around. So, this is my go-to bag. So, my bag is really my best friend, my essential. And yes, I think every woman has its own bag. Like, any type of bag that they have, it's an expensive bag, less expensive, the most expensive, it doesn't matter. So as long as you have a bag with you and you're happy using with it, you're comfortable using with it, so you don't have to worry anything. So, but yeah, we do buy like some they prefer like expensive ones, but it's all up to us. I don't mind what kind of bag that I'm using. What matters most to me is that I love what I buy and I feel comfortable with it, and yes, sometimes it's not the price, it's how you're happy with it, using with it, and how, I mean, unsay masulod, or yes, that's all that matters. So, and this bag is really a best friend, or sometimes it's a signature, or what do you call that? It's your brand. So by using what type of bag you have, it creates your identity. Yes, so this is really important, especially like moms like us, or like you. And yeah, so if you have diaper bags, especially like new moms, so lain-lain ang bag. So different kind of bags that we need to use in what occasion. So mine is my work bag, so, or go-to bag, or this is a multi-purpose bag as well. But there is really a special occasion bag, like weddings, of course you have to wear something else, right? Okay guys, this is my what's inside my bag, and what are the essentials inside my bag. So I'm just sharing you guys what's inside of it, and I'm happy sharing it with you. And thank you guys for watching to our channel and supporting our channel. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe in the red button right here. Click the subscribe button, and also hit the bell button so you get notifications to our videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.